Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today on Shein or Shein, whichever you prefer to call it, but I have a package from them. So I'm not going to lie, I had already kind of opened it, but it's okay. I just looked through to make sure that I have everything because I purchased this a while ago. Yeah, so here we go. I'll just start taking them out one by one. So I got a pack of these, and I will leave a link, not a link, I will leave the text box of the price that I paid, and be mindful because they do have coupons as well on the app, so it was actually a little bit cheaper because of the coupons. So I got these little bear accessories. I have a friend that is pregnant and her theme for her baby shower is bears, so I kind of went all out and got a few different kinds. These are cute. I'm sorry you guys, I've been kind of MIA. Not really. I told y'all I was leaving. Not leaving, but taking a break. And I definitely did, and I still am. I have not accepted any nail clients. So yeah, I thought this was really neat. I actually thought these were stickers. And I'm pretty sure they were pretty cheap. I'm definitely going to leave the price on there. I think I got 2 packs of those also. I got some of these. They're little teddy bears as well. I got some of these little containers. I was thinking to put crystals, nail crystals in those actually. You can never have enough organization boxes. I want to say these are for nail tips. I might use them for like bits or something because I have double and triple of everything. We got some more little bears. These actually sound like they're like stone or something. I feel like I need to open this. Or a ceramic is what I meant to say. Which I don't know how well that would work on nails, because I feel like ceramic can break easily. I don't know, maybe this one won't. It's a pretty big charm. Got some of these nail charms. I think maybe that's why I bought this too. I think I bought a few of them actually, but that way I can try to get some of this stuff organized, y'all. Okay, so I had to get some freaking different hearts because I only have the same hearts, and I think I got them last year, and I told myself that I was gonna buy, you know, different kinds so that way I could do different like Valentine's hearts. And if you got to see any of my Valentine's Day 14 Days of Love series, like every single one of them that had encapsulated hearts had the same encapsulated hearts. So I definitely will do better next year. So spring is here almost, and I thought to buy some of these little flowers. It comes with the little, I can't remember what they are, what they're called. I got 2 packs of those. Maybe doing a giveaway. It might have been my thought process. Also, if you haven't got a chance, I'll leave in the description box a link to my last giveaway winner. It took me forever and a day, and I'm sorry girl, but it took me forever to send her package. So I think these ones are actually the ones that my friend is gonna love because they're nice and small and they're kind of like clear. She is having a boy. These are really cute. Oh, you know, I like these types of charms too. Oh, we got some more of this little spring type nail stuff. Flowers, yes. I don't know about y'all, but I struggle with like those other types of flowers, like the real ones. I don't know what it is. I can't ever like cut them and like make them look cute. It just looks like a mess. Some more spring flowers. Oh, I'm excited, y'all, because I've been dying to do. Here's that other press-on type kit. I might actually be adding this into a giveaway because I don't think that I will ever do these. So this may be a giveaway and this may be a separate giveaway. So stay tuned. Oh, back to the video, link in description of my last giveaway. She unboxed on live actually, but I will leave that so you guys can see, because I was giving away a, oh my gosh, they're falling out. No, it's okay. There's not very many in there anyways. So these are so cute. They're like metal butterflies. Anyways, geez, I lost my train of thought. I'm pretty sure I was talking about the giveaway thing. Let me take a break. Yeah, so I gave away one of my not polished mystery boxes to her, and I added a ton of extra goodies in there. So here's some more flowers. Oh yeah, and some more of the little butterflies. So these ones I think are like black and gold, and these ones are like gold and like rose gold. So cool, even though I lost a few. I have some extra. Got some more little pom-poms. I don't know if anybody's actually ever gonna wear these, but I think I gave away my other ones, and I had somebody ask me, like they want, even if they just wanted to like see it, and I couldn't find them. So I was like, you know what, I need to just give me some more. Some more hearts. This is like a Valentine's type. After Valentine's Day, I think I purchased these. These are like the ones in the beginning. They are just a little darker in color. Got these little bears. See, they have the little blue thing. That's what I was thinking for my friend, but I don't know. She's not really a fan of like big charms, but somebody might be. I loved these. They're little teddy bears also, and they have like this little dangling star. It's so pretty. These ones too. And they have little hearts in the center. I thought these were super cute also. Oh, some more. These are teddy bears and I want to say butterflies. Yeah, these are little teddy bears. Are they all? Yep, they are all. Yay! They're all little teddy bears. And they have like little glitter pieces in them. I don't know if you guys can see that. Coffee! I love these ones. I have a guest that I had actually just started doing her nails. I feel so bad. I had to tell everybody I needed a break, but it's okay. Gotta think about me first at the end of the day, because if I'm not taken care of and not stressed, then it's just gonna be domino effect. Mental health awareness, y'all. So here, I think these ones are my favorite. They are super tiny. Like I feel like even somebody with short nails, I mean, it would probably still look pretty big on short nails, but they are a lot smaller than these other ones. And I bought two of them. I bought the gold and the silver. I think I bought two gold ones. Oh yeah, these ones aren't even, so these are like the bigger version and these are the smaller versions. Okay, just kidding, I didn't buy, maybe they were out. Oh, and then here, see, I knew I had bought these and I was tripping. Yay! I'm so excited for these. I have to make sure to put these away in the Valentine's area. All right, you guys, so that is all that I have for this Shein unboxing. I'm gonna pull everything out kind of quickly, just so you guys can see. right, you guys, this is my Shein unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe if you like this content. I have plenty of other videos. I will leave some in the cards. I will leave some on the end screen. Go ahead and check them out. I greatly appreciate it. Hope you guys are doing wonderful, and I'll see you guys in my next one.